Hi, welcome to my channel all about mechanical engineering. In today's video, we will take a question on projection of lines which was asked in university question paper in the year 2022. This is the question. It states, end A of line AB is 25 mm below HP and 35 mm behind VP. Line is 30 degree inclined to HP. There is a point P on AB contained by both HP and VP. Draw projections, find inclination with VP and traces. Let us check out the given data first. Line AB, then A is 25 mm below HP and 35 mm behind VP. That means it is located in third quadrant. Theta is given as 30 degrees. P is on AB contained by both HP and VP. We are required to find phi equals to how much, that is inclination with VP, and we have to locate horizontal trace and vertical trace, that is HT and VT. This is the given line AB. Location of this endpoint A, that is front view location and top view location, are given in the question. Also, we have a point P given on the line which is contained by both HP and VP. That means the front view and top view of this point P will be on XY line at a single point itself. Now, P is not mentioned as a midpoint, neither it is mentioned a point which divides the line in a particular ratio. So in order to solve this question, we have to make one assumption, that is, assume P is the midpoint on the given line AB in order to solve this question in an easy manner. This is the given data. Let's start with the solution. First, the XY line, then a vertical projector, taking P dash and P on the XY line here. Then you have to take 25 mm below XY line, that is the locus of A in front view. Similarly, 35 mm behind VP, that is above XY line, locus of A in top view. Theta is given as 30 degrees. So you have to take theta downward 30 degrees like this, and you have to draw a line at 30 degrees until it meets this locus of A in front view. This is the true length point A1 dash on the locus of A in front view. As we know, we have considered P as the midpoint, so this is half of the true length. You can extend it back, measuring P dash A1 dash in your compass, keeping compass on P dash, cutting an arc and locating another locus, that is endpoint B's front view locus here, and the corresponding name will be B1 dash. Now taking this A1 dash up to P here, and this will be the corresponding name A1, keeping compass on this P to A1 distance in your compass as radius, rotating it until it meets the locus of A in top view. This becomes your top view point A. Joining A with P, this is half of the top view length. You have to extend it back, and using PA in your compass, keeping compass on P, cutting an arc, obtaining the total top view length and the corresponding other end name B with the locus of V in top view. Now, this half of the true length, P dash A1 dash, you have to take in compass, keeping compass on P dash here. You have to cut an arc on this locus of A in top view. The corresponding name here will be A2, joining it with the point P. Then you have to extend it back until it meets the locus of B in top view, and the corresponding name will be B2. So this is the true length in top view here. Now you have to project this A2 up to P dash. So it becomes A2 dash. Keeping compass on P dash and the radius P dash to A2 dash in your compass, rotate it until it meets the locus of A in front view. This will be the corresponding name A dash here. Join A dash, P dash. This is the half of the front view length. Extend it back until it meets the locus of B in front view. This is another end of the line, that is B dash. This you have obtained the complete front view A dash B dash, and this is the complete top view A B of the given line. In order to check whether you have drawn the correct solution, you have to draw two vertical lines in such a way that if you draw them parallel, A and A dash, B dash and B falls on a single vertical line like this. Once you do everything correctly, you can find the inclination of the line with VP, that is here or here, and the answer will be phi equals to 45 degrees. Now you have to locate the traces as well. In order to locate traces for this question, it is very easy. The front view and top view intersects at this particular point only. So this particular point where P' and P are marked, HT and VT will be located at the same place. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.